Hi, I'm Becca and this is the Boundless Bloom Life, a place where I share health and beauty tips. This week I'm going to be talking about how to make a CC cream. Now I'm going to be making one application of this you'll see on the back of my hand and applying it. But you can make this in bulk for when you want a really fast, really easy, very light, but extra glowy look. So let's get into making this CC cream. You may be wondering, why is she making a CC cream? If you follow me, you know that I am a mascara beauty artist, and what that means is I sell and promote the world's easiest foundation, but I decided to do a make your own CC cream video because you can easily make it with the cream foundation, and sometimes you just want just something a little bit extra. Mascara Beauty's foundation already is very natural looking. It gives you a great glow. So that's why I'm calling this a make your own CC cream and not make your own BB cream. Because CC cream has like that luminescence to it, and the Mascara Beauty foundation, just the way it's formulated, makes your face glow. So what you will need is really any foundation that you want. You could do liquid foundation, cream foundation, and your favorite moisturizer. Like I said, I'm going to be using the Mascara Beauty highlight shade in amber, and then I'm going to be using the Mascara Beauty's Milk Moisturizer. Now this Milk Moisturizer is my favorite product. It is the best moisturizer I've ever tried. It's the only thing that has got rid of those dry patches I had here on my cheeks. I never have to worry about dry skin since using this. So other than your foundation color and your moisturizer, you will need something to get it out with. I'm just going to use this little disposable spatula and then a damp beauty sponge. I am using the Perfector sponge again from Mascara Beauty. One cool thing about the milk is you can just pump and you've got the perfect amount there. So grab that perfect amount. Just a little amount, right? It's exactly how much you need. It's pre-measured for your face. And then I'm going to take the little spatula. And these tins may appear small, but you need very little to use on a normal basis. So I don't have any exact measurements. I'm just going to take a small bit here. Now I'm just going to take the two colors and mix them together until they're blended the way I like. Now as I said, mascara is pretty quick, so this step actually takes a bit longer, but I don't know, it's effortless and it feels really light on, like nothing is on your face. So you can't go wrong with that. So I'm now just going to take my sponge, which has been, I swear it's not that old, my daughter just likes to chew on it, and I'm going to blend it in. Blend it, rub it in. You can use your fingers. And it's just what CC does. It's like color correcting. Color correcting evens out the skin tone. Simple, right? That's why we love CC cream. That's why we went crazy when BB and CC creams came out, because they were moisturizers, foundation, and SPF all in one, right? See that luminescence I'm talking about? I'm like glowing. And while it's not a perfect coverage, no BB or CC cream is, it has evened out my skin tone and given me a glow. Now you can stop there. You could add a little, I wouldn't completely stop there. You can add some bronzer to your face to warm it up. You could add some blush, but I am going to tap in and do some contouring to show you the simplicity of that as well. This is the Detail Hack Brush, also from Mascara Beauty, and the shade Olive, and I'm just taking the edge of that and tapping it onto my cheekbone. This is a cream product, so it's super easy to blend. I love them. and take it up on your forehead. No, I said like you could stop there before, but I wouldn't stop at just the CC cream, because your face has dimension and you want to bring a little bit of that back in, whether that be with bronzer, contour, whatever you choose. Your face naturally has shadows on it, so this helps just bring those shadows back and allows you to look even more natural. Coming together. Take it under here a little bit and just say goodbye to that sagging underskin. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. This particular shade is Hollywood, one of my favorites for the summertime. Here she is. And then I'm going to apply the Illuminator Pearl. And this is also cream based. And Illuminator is just mascara equivalent to highlight. And it will just take that glow a little further. Apply your favorite lip gloss, some mascara, maybe a little eyeshadow, and you have a super natural, glowy look. Again, if you're interested in any of the products I used, I will drop my links down below. You can visit my website. I have a color match quiz there. Because if you were like me, before I found mascara, I only used powders that didn't do much. I only used BB creams, CC creams, because I was intimidated and confused on how to find the right color. And that's where I come in. You can take my color match quiz, which I'll drop down below, and I can personally help you customize a palette just like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep blooming.